In this video, we're going to be talking about Gala. We're going to be analyzing the price of Gala to see how price is getting on, and essentially be given a technical analysis on price. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Gala, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on at CoinMarketCap, you can see Gala is currently up 3.93%, which is really good, as I think on the weekly we've been pretty much bearish. If you look on the chart on a CoinMarketCap, you can see here that on the daily, Gala has been very bullish, which you can see that it's really nice price action being played out. You can see higher highs, higher lows, pretty much everything you need for a bull trend, and it's looking really nice. But if we go over to the weekly to see how price is getting on the weekly, you can see here on the weekly that the price is pretty much been bearish, making lower lows, lower highs, and it's not looking too good. So if we go over to trading view to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Gala, so yeah, you can see here that we are on Gala. If we start off on the daily, you can see here that pretty much Gala has just been trading within this range of 0.27685 and pretty much 0.201, essentially. Yeah, 0.201, and the price action hasn't been moving. Essentially, we can see here that there is a strong demand zone below this accumulation schematic and this failed accumulation schematic, as price should have reached this high, but looks like from the sign of weakness we just pretty much invalidated this, as we made a new lower low. So it could mean that we are pretty much in bearish territory, but in my opinion I still feel like Gala does have the potential to rise. This is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is hopefully starting to gain its legs within the market. You can see here that price did drop up into here. We're making a nice little accumulation schematic on the lower time frames. If you go over to the 1 hour, you can see here that a nice little accumulation schematic is starting to be played out, and from this accumulation schematic we can have a crazy pretty much a boom market coming through, as you know Bitcoin is the leader, as all coins follow Bitcoin. So you can see here that we've had the selling climax, the secondary test, the automatic rally, then the spring, and then pretty much a retest from this zone, and then it looks like price, we did have a sign. The main reason this was a valid retest, as we did break previous structure, so it was a really good valid reason, and price failed to pretty much we did have a few reactions from this demand zone, but price failed to have a pretty much a strong reaction, and then price just fell back through, pretty much invalidating this retest. So I feel like price has targeted this demand zone. You can see here this last bearish candle. You can see price is tapped into it, and it looks like we're going to be having another accumulation schematic being played out. If we quickly look at it, let me just quickly draw in here. Schematic. So yeah, you can see here that from here you can say that this is a selling climax, the secondary test in phase B, and then you could call this the spring essentially, and then from the spring we could be waiting on a retest, and then from the retest we could have another leg towards upside, possibly even taking out this high essentially. But we're gonna have to wait and see on how this is essentially, and pretty much more patience on this game. But other than that, there's nothing crazy occurring. If we quickly check on the weekly, let me just remove all the drawings. So yeah, you can see on the weekly here that Gala did have the huge rise towards upside. We did reach the highs of 0.8, and Gala does have the potential to reach $1. It definitely does have the capability. It just depends on the overall market conditions, as the current market conditions are bearish. And then on the weekly, you can still see here that Gala is in a very strong demand zone, so we could possibly see some major reversals coming through. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait and see how price reacts. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 600 subs.